Hello everyone, this video is all about website package price list. So basically this module enables package based pricing in Odoo website. It allows businesses to set special price for the product bundles or the packages, improving sales and the customer experience. So first of all we go into the setting. Under setting we go into the sales, and here we will make sure we will enable the product packages and the price list over here. After enabling this we go into the inventory. Under inventory we go into the configuration, and we have here product packaging. We go click on the product packages. So here I have already created one product packages which is pack of 6 and contain quantity. We will create one more. Let's suppose I'm creating pack of 12, and we will add the product over here. Again I am adding the corner desk right, and we will assign the contained quantity as 12, and we will save this. After saving we go into the sales, and under sales in the product tab we have price list, and here we have different prices. uh, in Benelux I have already added this corner desk right for the pack of 6, and now in USD price list we will add the pack of 12. So when we click on the add offline, here we have three types of apply: product, category and product pack. We will go with the product pack, and when we select the product pack we have here product pack for which we have created corner desk right, and here we have two options: pack of 6 and pack of 12. So here I am going to assign pack of 12, and from here we will also assign the fixed price over here. Let's suppose I am giving 1200 as a price, and we will save this. And after saving we go into the e-commerce tab, and here we will make sure we will enable the selectables, and we will save this. After saving this we will create a sale order. From here we go into the quotation and we'll create a new sale order. We'll assign the customer, and here we will add our product is corner desk right. And after assigning this, here you can see right now our price list of is Benelux USD. And once we save this, and now we click on the product package, and here we are getting option of pack of 6 automatically. And when we click on the OK, it will add the pack of 6 and amount will be adjusted according to that. Let's suppose now I click on the USD. I will save this, and again I click on the pack of product, and here see I can get pack of 12. When I save this, automatically price will be updated. Now let's suppose in Europe we doesn't have any assigned product packages. So I click on the price list as Euro, and then I select save this, and again I go into the product package, and here you can see we are not getting any pack which we have created. So this is how it will work on the based on the price list. So if we attain Benelux and pack of 6, and it will be saved, and our order is created once we confirm it. And here you can see sale order is confirmed. And now we will create a sale order through the website. So we click on this website and we go to the website, and we will shop from here, and here is the product which we have created for the pack. Right now you can see in the Benelux we are getting the pack of 6, and let's suppose if I go for the USD, and here you can see it will be updated automatically as pack of 12. So let's suppose I'm going with the pack of 12. I have select the pack of 12. I will do add to the cart. We go into the view cart, and we will check out the product. We will confirm the product, and we will pay. Here you can see our order is confirmed, and our order is number is SO45. So we go into the sales, and here you can see our SO is created. Sale order for pack of 5, sale order of 45, and packaging is a pack of 12, and the delivery charge is included in this. And once we confirm this, sale order is confirmed and the sale order is created. So this is how this module will work. If you have any queries regarding this module, you can reach to us, and we will get back to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.